Guys, in this video we're going to be learning how to do the wheel pose regardless of your level of practice. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer, also known as African Yoga Girl. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. We are getting right into this video. First, you want to lie down, get comfortable, adjust yourself as needed, placing your lower back on your mat. The second step, you want to place your hands right beside your ears, like, guys, you're curving them over your shoulders beside your ears, and then you lift up your lower back, placing your head on the mat. After you've adjusted, you lift all the way up. Once you lift up, come back down again, your head first on the mat, and then you place your waist back on the mat. Guys, this is just to prepare you for the second step. Now let's go, guys. Hands beside your ears again, lift up higher than you did the other time without wasting time of keeping your head on the mat. Lift up, adjust yourself as needed, adjust your hands, adjust your leg, and then you come back down on the mat. Now, guys, you want to stay here and go for step 3. After you've caught your breath, hands beside your ears, and go all the way higher than you could go. Now we're adjusting our leg even more and our hands even more. Tuck your stomach in and push out those legs, so you are lengthening out in this long wave variation. You want to keep going, and you want to walk your hands forward, backward and forward, adjusting yourself, and come back down. Now, guys, the next step we're going to go is a little bit advanced. We're going to adjust our waist, twist it side to side as though you're coming into a supine twist. Now, this will properly prepare you and rest your back as much as you need before we lift up, because that one is a little bit advanced. Hands beside your ears, and you lift up, go as high as you can go. Now you're going to take one leg up towards the ceiling and come into this one-legged wheel pose. Now, guys, this one-legged wheel pose just advances your practice a bit forward, and it makes it a little bit more intense for your back. So stretch out those legs and stretch out your head. Now long legs again, and come back down on the mat. So, guys, this is how to do your wheel pose. We're taking a break in butterfly pose. Slow down as much as you need, because, guys, when you practice wheel pose, it is so intense on the back. So we're taking this supine twist, this single-legged supine twist, and just adjust yourself. Take it slow as much as you need. Twist and twist. Guys, after this, you're going to just lengthen out and come up to sitting. So, guys, this is a simple way in which you can learn how to do your wheel pose. So, guys, remember that every new week a new video is dropping every Monday. So, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share with others. Thank you so much, guys, for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video next week. Love you. Bye.